How to make egg omelet. Good day! I am Jamila Zoe A. Rabelas from grade 6 Earth. Today, I will teach you to make egg omelet in an easy way. First, you need to prepare the ingredients. We have 2 pieces of medium-sized egg, ground pork for filling. To enhance the taste, we have pepper and salt, and cooking oil. These are the materials to be used. Frying pan, used for frying the food. Whisk, used to blend or mix the ingredients. Mixing bowl, used as a container when mixing the ingredients. And spatula, used to lift and flip the food in the frying pan. This is the procedure. First, we crack the 2 medium eggs in the mixing bowl. Heat the frying pan. A bit of cooking oil on it. Ganun lang.
Tilt the pan.
Then, pour the egg mixture on the pan. Then tilt it slightly to cover the surface of the pan. Let the mixture cook for a few minutes. Now, fill the omelette with whatever you like. I will use my ground pork. Then, fold gently into half like a moon with the spatula. It's ready to serve. Transfer it on a plate. Then, cut it in a suggested size. You can drizzle it with ketchup.